0.1a. Define statistic. Statistics is a scientific method of collecting, analyzing, presenting, and interpreting data to assist in making decisions. Statistic application in several fields. In industrial field, statistic can be applied in quality control of product, whereas in business field, market survey to produce the new product available with customer demands. A coffee company wants to know purchasers' opinion on one of its brand. In education, statistics can be used to analyze the students' academic performance, and a school wants to know the opinion of students concerning canteen food. In infrastructure development, town planners want to know local residents' view on traffic problems. Data. A set of data is a collection of observations, measurements, or information obtained from a study. Data are the values that the variables of the studies can assume may be obtained from survey or experiments. Each value in the dataset is called a data value or a datum. Let's define the population and sample. In statistics, it is important to distinguish between a sample and population. A population is the collection of all elements of interest. So the keyword here for population is all elements. Example of a population. The price of all houses in Perlis. So this is a population because it's mentioned about all houses in Perlis. And then the score in mathematics UPS 1 of all KMP students. So this example relate to all KMP students. Now, a sample is the selection of a few elements from this population. In other words, sample is a subset of population. So the diagram shows the relation between population and sample. Now let's discuss about this example. A survey was made regarding the methods of study used by 100 out of 700 matriculation students from a certain college. So the population here is all the 700 students and the sample is 100 students that was being selected. Next example. An economy lecturer conducts a study on food expenses in a fasting month between male and female students from his class. About 10 male students and 10 female students are chosen at random for the study. So state the population and sample. The population here is about male and female students from the lecturer class, whereas the sample is about 10 male students and 10 female students from the lecturer class. Census. A census is a collection data relating to an entire population. Most of the time, due to the expense, time and size of population, medical concerns and so on, it is not possible to use the entire population for a statistical study. Therefore, researchers use samples. Parameter. A parameter, or sometimes we call population parameter, is a numerical measurement like mean, mode, variance, and etc., describing some characteristics of a population. Let's study about this statement, the average test score of all students in a class. So this is a parameter because the population describes all students in a class. The data is collected from every member of the population, and the average is a numerical measurement. Descriptive and inferential statistics. The study of statistics is divided into two categories. So first, descriptive statistic. This statistic consists of the collection, organization, summarization, and presentation of data. And descriptive statistics use clear and effective ways to describe and analyze of given set of data without drawing any conclusion or inference about a larger group of data. Now look at the example of descriptive statistic. National census conducted by Malaysia government every 10 years. So the result give the average age, income and other characteristics of Malaysia population. Result can be represented in form such as charts, graph or table. Now let's discuss about differential statistics. So these statistics consist of generalizing from sample to population, performing estimations and hypothesis tests, determining relationships among variables and making predictions. Here is the example of differential statistics. The Department of Economic and Social Affairs predict the population of Perlis in 2032 will be 1 million people. So this is the prediction for a future.